Hey guys, well, it's that time again. We finished another great quarter. Thank you to everybody. And the 5-star award is being given out today. This is the first time I've had so many people voted for. And I'm quickly going to go through a synopsis and try to be very fast. This one comes from Lewis. He gives it to Tony and Kenny C. and really expresses his gratitude for the excellent teaching that the two of them do. He says they're great instructors. I have Brendan Gallagher being mentioned this time. I've got Alberto being mentioned. I've got Michael Jamal being mentioned. I've got Karen being mentioned, Paul Beers, Lewis, and then the following people got 2 votes. And one of them would be the guy who's filming me right now. Chris, you got 2 votes. This person got 2 as well. And these go to Randy, who's a new member, and we're just so delighted to have him here. He really shows enthusiasm, and he genuinely cares about his insureds. This person got 2. This one goes to Millie Perez. It says, I couldn't thank her enough, which is kind of what the other one says. She works tirelessly, and we're lucky to have her. The next one goes to Alejandro, who seems to be a common thing here. Alejandro once again. And the winner today of the parking space in front of the building and 2 $100 gift cards. And remember, Ryan, one is for you and one is for the new mother of your new baby. We love you, man. Congratulations. Thank you.
So this is always a great time for me. I love handing out the 5-star award. It really shows that, I'm not the only person that's seeing these things happen day in and day out. When we have as many nominations as we had this week, it's a very good thing for me. So I want to explain a little bit about how and why Ryan won the 5-star award this year. Ryan has been displaying all types of things, but immediacy is number 1 for me, okay? For a loss taker that takes losses after hours, for someone to be able to step up after hours when they're not on call and respond without any hesitation whatsoever, that is an A player for me. So we have one $100 gift card for Ryan and one $100 gift card for Kayla, but let's get real. Both of them are for Kayla. For all the people that have been nominating and all the nominees, please keep this up. This is some way that we can kind of hold each other accountable for good and bad things. So please keep making your nominations for all the nominees. Congratulations, and hopefully next time you'll win.